Yes, I'm injured. Yes, I'm on crutches, but that won't stop me from creating a good home tour video today. So today we are at 590C at Montreal Dale. It's in the Canberra, Sembawang region, and we'll be looking at a 4-room flat today, 1001 square feet that I think you will love. So let's go. So before we take a look at the rest of the house, let's take a look at the view first. Now the view from here is really nice because it's unblocked, right? The block-to-block distance from this unit to the next block is very far away due to the layout of the entire cluster here. You know how some HDBs, right, are very near to each other. You can look into your neighbour's living room, but it's impossible to see that here, right? So you get a lot of privacy inside your unit. And you know what's the best thing? Because we are on a higher floor, all right, unblocked at the top, unblocked at the sides, the whole house gets very windy throughout the day, right? And this stack is one of 2 stacks in Montreal Dale, 4-room, that isn't directly facing the road, right? So you won't get any traffic noise or road noise whatsoever throughout the day. Now back to the living room. In front of me, there's a very nice feature wall, but elegantly, nicely renovated. It's simple, right? But if you really want to change it into your own style, you can just laminate over and you can get the job done, right? At the bottom, there's space for your sound system, your subwoofers and all that to turn it into a cinematic experience. I mean, you already got this gold class chair, you know, gold class chair. So you really only need the sound system to complete the whole experience, right? As for the living room, the space, really spacious. You got your TV, sofa, they even have a 5-seater dining table and a piano at the side as well, right? And that space where the piano is, you can make a display cabinet, build more storage area if you really need. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. So where we are seated right now is the foyer area. Let me bring your attention first to this shoe cabinet, which the owners have actually built up to serve a dual purpose. Number one, it acts as a storage space for your shoes and other knickknacks, right? But most importantly, the second reason is to act as a shield, right? From the outside to the inside, right? So it gives you a lot more privacy when you're actually sitting at your living room area watching TV, right? And also for those of you that believe in feng shui, right? This actually helps you to retain wealth within the house. Okay, but enough about this, let's take a look at the kitchen that's behind you. So we're here in the kitchen, a very nice space for all your daily cooking needs. This more than meets its purpose. You have your quartz countertop, you have cabinetry already built in at the top and at the bottom, your built-in oven, and of course, a yard area at the back here where you can do your laundry, put your washing machine. Yeah, so we're done here. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. Common room number 1. So you can see this whole common room doesn't have any built-in, no wardrobes, no nothing. So it's a very big space, perfect for your own work from home setup. So imagine this, you got your EverDesk, you got your Secret Lab chair, dual monitors, you know, you just set up those YouTuber streamer kind of red and blue lighting and bam, you have a perfect work from home setup. And you can see, owners made this into sort of a workout corner, so you can do your workouts before you leave the house. And of course, I can show you some workout, but you know, injured. Right? Okay, but for those of you who want a room with a lot of storage space, I got you covered. So here we are at the second common room. Now this common room, ample storage space. You have your wardrobes, you have your storage space at the top and bottom to my side as well, and you have a study table also, right? You're on your dual monitor situation, you have it here. But if you want to convert this into a bedroom, very easy. Remove this study table, you can fit in a queen size bed with side tables, and there you have it, a bedroom with ample storage. But enough about the common rooms, let's take a look at the master bedroom. Oh, this is not a hotel, right? This is actually the master bedroom with a bay window built here. So this bay window, they built it here for extra seating and also extra storage at the bottom as well. And coincidentally, one of the most Instagrammable spots of the entire house. You just have to take a nice book, you know, sit here and take your inspirational shots for the day. So for the rest of the house, very spacious. You can put in a queen size bed with 2 side tables, and if you really want to upgrade this into a king size bed, is possible as well. They have a built-in wardrobe, and whatever you need in this space has already been taken care of. Hey, wait, where are you going? Come back. I haven't shown you the surroundings yet. So let's take a look at the area first. Now, the most exciting transformation that will be happening inside the Canberra region is actually Bukit Canberra, which should be open to public by next year, and it features an integrated sports and community hub. This 12-hectare hub will actually provide amenities such as a hawker centre, indoor and outdoor sports facilities like a swimming pool and also a basketball court, a polyclinic, a senior care centre, and also green spaces, right, for community farming, lifestyle-related amenities for the community within a very lush and naturalistic environment. Now, if you're talking about transportation, we are within minutes walk to Sembawang MRT, where you'll find a mall like Sun Plaza, and also Canberra MRT, where you have Canberra Plaza. So you'll feature an array of dining and shopping places for you to visit. As for schools, the primary schools that are within 1 kilometre of this unit is Sembawang Primary School and Wellington Primary School. So here we are at Sembawang Park, which is just an 8-minute cycle away from where we were just now, along the park connector. So if you are someone who loves the beach, loves the ocean, but you don't go so far into the East Coast Park area or Pasir Ris area, this is the perfect place for you. You can, laze around by the sea, enjoy the sea breeze. You can fish at the fishing pier, at the barbecue pits. You can have a good family day. Or if you have a pet, a dog, there's a dog run here. You can let your dog run loose. Right? So very nice area, a park area here, which you can enjoy an entire day with your family. So now that you've seen the house and understand the area a little bit better, if you want to view the unit, give us a call, drop us a DM, and we'll arrange a viewing immediately. Right? That's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!